Kay sarap sa ilalim ng 11-11. Sana dalawa ang ulo ko. Ay, dalawa pala. Ay, hindi. Kay sarap sa ilalim ng saksi ang buwan at bituin sa pagmamahalan nating dalawa. Ganon. Diba? Di ko na alam yung chords eh. Ito lang alam ko eh. Okay, sarap sa limalim na I can see the world that's waiting up for me. That I call my home. Through the dark, through the door, through there no one's been before, but it feels like They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, they call us crazy. We can live through the world that we design. Every night, lie in bed. Taas. Cause every night, lie in. Taas kasi. Kung kailan okay na eh. Every night I lie in bed. The brightest colors fills my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, the vision of the one I see. A million dreams, the world we're gonna make. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. Ang hirap. Mali talaga. Mali pala yun. Hindi ko kaya mataas, be. Masyadong mataas yung A Million Dreams. I think of what the world could be. I think of what the world could be. A vision of the one I see. Taas talaga. Ayoko na. Taas, sobra. Sobrang taas. Pababata. Hindi ko na kaya. Pero nakuha ko yung yung isa. Kasi baka masira yung boses ko pag pinili ko yung mataas. Eh, hindi naman yun yung pinaka-key ko. Ang key ko kasi mababa lang. Oo, mababa lang key. Alam niyo yung key? Kiki, do you love me? Yeah, writing. So you never ever beat it from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for it always, baby. Do you ride me? Very downy. And you never ever beat it from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you. At ngayon, nandyan ka na. Palaging hawakan iyong mga kamay. Di ka na mag-iisa. Wait lang, try ko. Try ko yun, ha. Di ba unpredictable?